How to show or hide caller ID on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app. After click on phone app, click on this three dot icon and click on this settings icon. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on supplementary services. After click on supplementary services, so first option is show your caller ID. If you want to show caller ID, so click on always. After click on always, caller ID is show. If you want to hide caller ID, so click on never. After you select never, you will see caller ID is hide. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.